Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to some AI extensions that can boost your productivity. These extensions are useful tools that can help you organize your time, take notes faster, manage your tasks better, and improve the quality of your work. Without further ado, let's review these extensions. Boomerang. Boomerang is a very handy extension for email management. It offers several features that can help you manage your time better and be more productive. The first feature of Boomerang is the ability to schedule your messages to be sent. If you write an email after hours, for example, in the evening or on the weekend, you can schedule it to be sent at a more appropriate time. This can be especially useful if you work with people in different time zones or if you want to avoid disturbing your recipients after hours. Another interesting feature of Boomerang is the ability to set reminders. If you send an important email and want to make sure you get a response in a timely manner, you can schedule a reminder to remind you to follow up with the person if you haven't received a response. This saves you from having to remember to follow up on every important email you send. Finally, Boomerang also offers an email tracking feature. This feature lets you know if a recipient has opened your email or clicked on a link included in your message. This can give you a better idea of your recipient's interest in your message and help you adjust your approach if necessary. Overall, Boomerang is a very useful extension for email management. It can help you manage your time better by allowing you to schedule your messages, set reminders, and track your emails. If you are often overwhelmed by emails and are looking for a way to manage them better, Boomerang can certainly be an interesting solution to explore. Evernote Web Clipper. Evernote Web Clipper is a browser extension that makes it quick and easy to capture important information from the web. With this extension, you can save articles, images, links, and even entire web pages directly into your Evernote account. One of the benefits of Evernote Web Clipper is that you can easily organize your notes into different categories, called notebooks. This allows you to organize your notes by project, topic, or theme. This feature is very useful for keeping all the information relevant to your work in one place and accessing it quickly and easily. In addition, Evernote Web Clipper is also capable of recognizing text and images, allowing you to search for information in your notes using keywords. For example, if you have saved an image with text, you can then search for a specific word and Evernote Web Clipper will find that image. Evernote Web Clipper is also useful for sharing information with others. You can easily share your notes with colleagues or friends by sending them a link or allowing them to access your notebooks. This makes it easier to collaborate with your team members and share important information in real time. Finally, Evernote Web Clipper is available on a variety of browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Opera. This means you can access your notes from any computer or mobile device with these browsers, allowing you to work more efficiently on the go. All in all, Evernote Web Clipper is a great tool for quickly capturing important information from the web, organizing your notes, searching for information, and collaborating with others. If you're looking to improve your productivity and better manage your notes, I recommend you try this extension. Rescue Time. Rescue Time is an AI extension that can be used to track and analyze your computer usage time. It gives you an overview of your activity on your computer and lets you know how much time you spend on each application. This allows you to better understand how you are using your time and focus on the important tasks. The Rescue Time extension is available for several web browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. It can also be used on Windows, Mac, and Linux computers. Once you install the extension, it automatically launches when you start your computer. Rescue Time tracks all the applications and websites you use on your computer, as well as the time you spend on each. It also assigns a category to each application and website based on what it is. For example, Rescue Time can categorize Microsoft Word as productivity and Facebook as social networking. Using Rescue Time, you can get an overview of your computer usage time using an online dashboard. This dashboard shows you details of your activity in real time, including the total time you spent on your computer, the breakdown of time spent on different categories of applications and websites, and your overall productivity. You can also see trends over time, the days and times you are most productive, and the applications and websites that distract you the most. Using Rescue Time, you can identify which activities take the most time and which are the most productive. You can also set usage time goals for each category and get alerts when you exceed those goals. This can help you stay focused on important tasks and reduce the time you spend on non-productive activities. In short, Rescue Time is an AI extension that can help you better understand how you use your time on your computer. By tracking your activity and providing detailed analytics, Rescue Time can help you identify the activities that take the most time and improve your overall productivity. Otter. Otter is an AI extension for voice to text transcription. It is able to transcribe in real time everything that is said during a conversation, meeting, or presentation. This extension is especially useful for those who take notes in meetings or discussions, but have trouble following and writing at the same time. With Otter, you can record conversations, presentations, or meetings, and get a written transcript of what was said. This transcription is automatic and in real time, which means you can read what is being said as it happens. This allows you to better understand the key points of the discussion and capture important information more quickly. In addition to automatic transcription, Otter also offers search, sharing, and collaboration features. You can search for keywords in your transcripts to quickly find important information. Share your transcripts with other team members and collaborate on documents in real time. Otter is compatible with many applications, including Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, so you can easily integrate it into your daily work routine. Plus, Otter offers both free and paid plans, so you can choose the option that best suits your needs. In summary, Otter is a voice-to-text transcription and that can help you take notes faster and more efficiently. With its search, sharing, and collaboration features, Otter can improve the quality of your work and save you time. Trello. Trello is an online project management application that allows you to create boards, lists, and cards to organize your tasks and track the progress of your projects. With Trello, you can work collaboratively with your team and easily share important information. Trello uses a system of cards to represent the tasks to be done. Each card can be assigned to a team member, have a deadline, and contain additional information, such as attachments or comments. Cards can be organized into lists, which in turn can be organized into tables. This hierarchy of tables, lists, and cards allows for efficient management of projects and tasks. An interesting feature of Trello is the ability to track the progress of tasks using colored labels. The labels can be customized to represent different types of tasks, such as pending, to do, in progress, or completed. This allows you to quickly see where each task is at and better plan next steps. Trello also offers collaboration features, such as the ability to assign tasks to team members and comment on cards. This feature allows team members to work together and easily communicate about tasks. Trello is a web app, but it is also available as a mobile app for Android and iOS. This means you can access your projects and tasks wherever you are and whenever you want. In conclusion, Trello is a powerful tool for project management and team collaboration. Its ease of use and flexibility make it an ideal solution for small and medium-sized businesses, software development teams, marketing teams, and project teams. If you're looking to organize your tasks and work more efficiently as a team, Trello is an option to consider. PandaDoc is an extension that can greatly improve your document workflow. It allows you to create, sign, and manage documents online quickly, easily, and securely. Whether it's for contracts, quotes, or proposals, PandaDoc can help you save time and improve the quality of your work by reducing errors and inconsistencies. Document creation. PandaDoc lets you create documents quickly and easily from customizable templates. You can add images, videos, graphics, and tables to make your documents more professional and attractive. You can also customize colors and fonts to reflect your brand. Document signing. PandaDoc allows you to sign documents online, so you don't have to print, sign, and scan paper documents. Signers can easily access, read, and sign the document online from any device. You can also track the signing status of each document in real time. Document management. PandaDoc allows you to store and manage all your documents online, so you can find them easily and quickly. You can organize your documents into folders and share them with team members or clients in a few clicks. You can also track the activity of each document to see who opened it and when. Integration with other tools. Pandadoc can be integrated with other tools you use on a daily basis, such as Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zapier. This allows you to automate your workflow and synchronize your data to save time and avoid errors. In conclusion, Pandadoc is an extremely useful AI extension for creating, signing, and managing documents online. It can help you save time, improve the quality of your work, and enhance the security of your documents. Feel free to try it out and see how it can improve your workflow. Pocket. Finally, Pocket is a browser extension that allows you to save articles, videos, and other content found on the web to read later. It's a handy tool that allows you to keep track of interesting articles you find, even if you don't have time to read them immediately. One of the main features of Pocket is its simplicity. The extension is easy to use and allows you to save articles with just one click. You can also add tags to organize your saved articles and easily find them later. Pocket is also available as an app for smartphones and tablets. This means you can save articles on your desktop computer and read them later on your cell phone when you are on the go. The app also allows you to sync your saved articles between your different devices so you don't have to worry about losing them. In addition to saving items, Pocket also offers a personalized recommendation feature. The extension uses algorithms to suggest articles similar to the ones you saved based on your interests. This allows you to discover new content that might interest you. Finally, Pocket also has an offline reading feature. This means you can save articles to read later, even if you don't have an internet connection. This feature is especially useful if you travel frequently or have a limited internet connection. In short, Pocket is a useful extension that can help you keep track of interesting articles you find on the web. With features like personalized recommendations and offline reading, Pocket can help you discover new content and read it whenever you want. So, there you have it, some AI extensions that can help you be more productive. Whether you're looking to manage your time, take better notes, collaborate with your team, or improve the quality of your work, these tools can help. Each of these extensions is designed to meet specific needs, but they can all be useful in improving your productivity. If you're looking to optimize your time and improve your work, I recommend you try these extensions. They are all available for free and can be downloaded from your browser's online store. Try them out and see if they can help you be more efficient in your work. So that's it for this overview of AI extensions to boost productivity. I hope you found this information useful. Feel free to share this video with your colleagues and friends who could also benefit from these tools. Thanks for following me so far, and see you soon for a new video.